Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today. Today I'm showing just a simple protective style using whipped Chebe butter. So I've been away on vacation and just wearing my hair out in different styles. I don't really care so much about how my hair looks to other people. I just wear it however it's convenient. So I've been wearing it in different ways, and I had to pause during my vacation to wash it and prep it for just a simple style. So here I'm just trying to, yeah, I already washed it and about to start applying the products that I use. So I have this leave-in conditioner. We also sell it on the website. And yeah, so my hair's been through a lot. So I'm really eager to put it away. So that's the whipped chebe butter. I always use it quite often on my hair. And now my hair has been dry because I've been in Oregon, Seattle, and different other parts of the US where it's really dry right now. So this has really dried out my hair. So I'm about to just put it away in some medium-sized twists. So kudos to everyone who is able to have the patience for like really small twists, but I'm just only able to wrap my hair in medium-sized twists. So it's convenient, it's also easy to take down, and it's easy to install reasonably so. So yeah, I do have friends who wonder how I'm able to just, not bother too much about my hair. Well, yeah, it's part of me, and I just embrace it the way it is. So I do need some trim, and my hair really come a long way. There's a lot of dryness sometimes, especially when the weather changes. But for the most part, I'm able to keep that under control by just pausing and giving my hair what it needs in between washes and yeah, my schedule. So here I'm just installing the medium size twist. It's pretty easy, and you only you really I really do not care so much about the parts. Some people are very particular about making the parts so clean, but I'm really not particularly concerned about making the parts so neat. So this style is pretty easy for me to install. I'm pretty much just standing in the bathroom and just doing it. I don't even take any break, but it just takes a few hours and I'm done. I think this one took about 2 hours or an hour and a half because I do not further detangle it. The hair is already detangled, so I just go ahead and just part it and apply the butter and leave-in conditioner. And when I'm done, I'll be sealing it with an oil. So I already did one full side almost. You can see my ends are so raggedy. I need to cut some of it off. And now I already did the two sections, and I'll be getting ready to finish the center of my hair. So my hair is pretty much getting better from the setback I've had a few years back. So I don't want to stress my hair. I do no longer, excuse me, I no longer want to use any extensions on my hair. I will just be rolling with my natural hair and embracing it for what it is. And no wigs either, because they don't just look good on me. I look suspicious when I have wigs on. So I just go with my natural hair. It's just my best accessory yet. So it did end up looking really nice, and my vacation continued till it ended recently. But then I can just style this medium twist any way I like, and I kind of look cute, I think. I mean, my opinion is only what it's the only one that matters when it comes to my hair, because I'm the only one that deals with it and knows how to work with it. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you want to protect your hair, just go ahead and do medium size twists. You don't really need the tiny ones. The tiny ones look pretty cute. I mean, if you can, go ahead, please. It looks really nice as well. But for my schedule and my lifestyle, I just prefer to go with medium sized twists because they're also easy to take down, not just install. So that's it when I'm all done. And yeah, you can see the parts are not clear, but when it dries, it ended up looking really nice, and it shrunk quite a bit, as you can see, but overall it looked nice. So I just brush the front, and I don't use anything to lay my edges down because it is what it is. So yeah, and I hope you've all enjoyed this video, and if you also do this kinds of style, let me know how you manage it and if it's made your life a lot easier, because it really has made mine. I'm able to still look cute, and yeah, just be flexible. Have a good one. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.